Hello, I'm Sharon Patrick, and I'm with the West Virginia Clinical and Translational Science Institute. And I'm here to show you today how to use the Object Explorer within the N3C Data Enclave. So as you can see, we'll get started here, and I am logged in to the Enclave. And I am a project manager for several domain teams and projects and several of our data contributing sites. So I have to monitor a lot of things within the enclave. And this feature is very helpful for those of you that might be project managers or administrative support. So we'll show you the features within the enclave that are really focused on what we do every day. So as you can see, I am in the enclave. I go to the left-hand side and I click on Object Explorer. And I guess to get started here too, I should also let you know, this is really a use case for project managers. We're going to learn how to see the list of projects associated with a researcher. And then we're also going to see what, who the collaborators are on a project. And these are questions that I've been asked. So I thought that others would probably be experiencing the same questions. So I thought we would have a video to show us how to access this information. So as you can see, I clicked on the Object Explorer. I'm going to click here on the N3C admin. And then in this particular use case, we're going to see the projects that are associated to me as a user. So then I'm going to click on N3C Researchers. And up here in the search bar, I'm going to type in my name. And here it is by email. And there's my email for my HSC account. I click on my name over here to the results tab. I then can see this tab here that says research projects. Then right beside it is overview. And I'm going to click on the research projects. You can see all the projects that I am a contributor on, and I'm helping assist with those projects. And you can scroll over and find more details about those projects. And this is a really good use case for any of the researchers that you may work with, and that you need a list of all the projects that they're currently contributing as an author on, or contributing in some capacity. This is a very beneficial feature. And then as a project manager, we can easily access this information. So again, this was how to search by a researcher's name and see the projects that they are associated with. I'm just going to start over here, go back to the Object Explorer. And the second part is going to be to look at a certain project name and seeing who the collaborators are on that project. So again, I clicked on Object Explorer. I'm going to click on the N3C admin. And here's where I'm going to search for projects. So I have a keyword for a project, and I'm going to type in rural. And then I'm going to search over here by the results, and I'm going to click on view all results. It makes it a little larger so I can see that information. And so I want to look at this particular workspace, which is the Rural Health Domain Team General. And I've been asked for this project, Sharon, we need a list of all the contributors that are on this particular project. And this feature makes it very easy to find that information. So just like the last view that I showed you at the top here, we have some of our drop-down boxes that we can use to find the information that we're looking for. And in particular, for this project, excuse me, for the Rural Health Domain Team General Workspace, I want to see all the collaborators on that project. Excuse me. So as you can see, this lists the projects, the project collaborators, and there's different views that you can use as well. So here I'm going to look at I believe this is the table view. This is the table view, and I find it most beneficial. I can search this information and I can see all the collaborators on this project, which is very beneficial for really the importance for these features are to for funding purposes. We can solidify that all the projects, who the collaborators are on these projects, and then it helps us list that information for reporting purposes. Excuse me. So as you can see, I have all the collaborators listed here. There's also a different feature that others might like to use, and that's the card view. And it gives you a little bit of information as well, just like the table view, just a different way to view this information. So again, this was a use case scenario for project managers using the N3C Data Enclave. We were able to look at the projects that a researcher was associated with, and then we're also able to see all the collaborators on a particular project. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any other questions, please put in a support ticket with the N3C support team. We're happy to help you. Thank you.